chef, Elora, and this is my little brother.
My name is Eric.
And he is going to be my little assistant, my little adorable assistant.
Yeah.
Eric, can you please go get me the bowl?
Okay.
Thank you, little assistant.
You're welcome.
Can you go get me the measuring cup?
Measuring
It's
cup.
right over there.
Okay. Doesn't look like a measuring cup.
Well, it kind of is. And this is a half a measuring cup because we're making small personal pizzas.
Yeah.
Eric, can you go please give me the flour?
Flour. Okay.
Thank you. So, the first step is we put out our flour.
Okay.
And this is teaching my little brother how to make a personal pizza because he doesn't know yet.
Yeah.
So it's going to be really fun for him to learn.
Yeah, I never made a personal pizza before.
Okay. We scoop some flour.
Oh. I know what flour looks like.
We're going to dump it in. And we're going to put the flour away for now. Eric,
What?
can you please go get me the salt?
Oh, is this salt?
Yeah. And can you go please give me the spoons?
4 spoons stick together?
Well, we're going to be using, we are going to be using 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Got it.
Or about half of it.
Half a teaspoon.
Doesn't have to be exact, but it probably would be best to do it a little bit under, not over, because salt can ruin things.
Yeah. Sometimes. Sometimes.
And you don't have to use all of it.
Yeah.
Eric,
Or then I might ruin it.
do you want to stir it?
Yeah.
Don't stir fast. That's good.
Okay.
Can you please go put the salt back? And can you please put the measuring cup back?
The ruler is for cutting pizza.
It is. Eric, can you please go get me the Italian seasoning?
This?
No, that.
Oh. Silly me.
Sometimes, while putting Italian seasoning in pizzas, tastes really good, and you don't have to use any measurement. I just like putting a lot in, so it actually gives it some flavor.
Yeah.
About, I don't know, 2 or 3 pinches.
I know exactly what to do with this.
Yep.
Put it back. We will stir some more.
Eric, can you go get me the onion powder?
This?
Yep. Well, with onion powder, we don't want, it's very powerful, so probably put half a teaspoon or less in. Actually, not just about half a teaspoon. Half of one, because it's powerful. Just so you know, you don't have to add it, but it's just my opinion to add it. Eric, can you give me the garlic powder? It's the other one. Yeah. And let's do the same thing. That will ruin it.
Yummy.
I added too much before, it didn't turn out too good.
Yeah. And that carrot muffin is so delicious. Mommy made it.
Can you put that garlic powder away?
Silly sister.
Can you give me the baking powder?
Baking powder. Get the white stuff.
Okay. We're gonna do about, I don't know, maybe 8 tablespoons or half. I'm just gonna do half. That's way too much.
Yeah, way too much.
Or maybe just a little bit more. Because this helps it rise.
Yeah. Helps it rise.
I sort of memorized it. And every time I do make it because I don't usually use amounts and stuff, but it always turns out good. It's different every time.
Yeah.
Different every time. Can you put this away? Okay, do you want to stir it?
Me?
Yeah.
Stir? Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Can you go, please, get me the olive oil? Just add a little bit, like about that much.
Yeah. Exactly what to do with that.
Put it away.
Yes.
And stir it.
I love my sister.
And I love my brother. And time to add some of this.
Yeah, it's hot water.
Not too hot.
Yeah, not too hot.
Just
Accidentally spilled.
warm water.
Can I stir it?
Yep.
Okay. Put the hot flour in.
Can you throw this away?
Mama. Okay, you can do the rest of my stirring.
And if it turns out kind of watery, you can add a little bit more flour. I think that's just what this is going to
Throw it away in the trash.
Now it is time to get out like some paper to form out your pizza. Thank you. And this is the time where an adult can help cut it.
Yeah.
That's me. I'm the adult.
Yeah.
Adults are so helpful.
Yeah. His name is
Uncle. Bye bye, adult.
Bye.
His name is Uncle. Get that dough on, and you got dough.
Okay.
That's all the dough.
Heavy.
That's super heavy.
And always have an adult help you cook because you don't know if something's gonna stick or burn or it's gonna start dripping off. So that's why we have an adult. Okay, now it's time to decorate the pizza.
Yep.
If you make it into a circle and take off the whole pan, just so you know, it will kind of break.
Yeah.
And also, to finish it, just so you know the time, it is 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Eric, can you go get me the cheese?
Cheese coming up. Got the cheese. Yummy cheese.
And we're going to be spreading some.
The sauce is over there and stuff to decorate it. My favorite color is red, and the sauce color is red. My favorite. Can you help?
Okay.
Oh, adult, can you help? I can't do the same sound.